Hello everyone. Today's session is on real-time chat logger. So this project demonstrates how to build a serverless real-time chat logging system using Google Cloud platform. The goal is to capture the chat messages from user, stream them through PubSub, process them with Cloud Function, and store them in Firestore. This setup is useful for applications like live chat system, customer support, messaging apps. So key components are: we'll build a pub subtopic, we'll write a cloud function, we store the data in Firestore, NoSQL database, and we'll use the gcloud CLI or gcloud commands to do the setup, deployment, and testing. So the steps are: we'll enable the required APIs, initialize the Firestore, create a pub subtopic, write the cloud function code, deploy the function with gcloud command, publish and test the messages via gcloud command. So testing and validation, how will we do it? Use the gcloud pub subtopics, publish the publish to send test messages, check Firestore for correct message storage, and use the gcloud functions to check the logs, test invalid inputs, and verify the graceful error handlings. So let's get started. So I've already opened QuickLab for this demonstration. I've opened Cloud Shell. Authorize. The first step is to enable all the APIs. For that, we'll use gcloud commands, gcloud services, APIs, will enable pubsub dot google apis.com. Okay, now we'll enable Firestore. Firestore firestore.googleapis.com. Now we need cloud function as well. Cloud functions. Okay. So now we have enabled all the APIs. We'll go to Firestore. Firestore is an enterprise-grade serverless document database service. Okay, so here we'll create a DB. We'll keep the name same. We are using the standard edition. Let's select a region. US West 4, sorry, East 4. US East 4. So the database is created. Let's check. Here we are. So we have enabled APIs. We have created the database. Next, we need to create the pub subtopic. So gcloud pub sub topics chat hyphen messages. SSAGES chat hyphen messages. Oh, we need to write the command create. So topic is created. We can check pub sub topics. So here it's created. Pub subtopic it's created. So we have enabled the APIs and we created a database in Firestore. We have created the pub subtopic. Now we need to create a cloud function to move the data or the chat from PubSub to Firestore. So let me create a directory. So the directory name will be chat logger hyphen functions. We'll enter this chat hyphen logger hyphen function. Okay, now we need two files, one main.py and one requirement.txt. So let's create nano main.py. I've already written the code in GitHub. You can just copy and paste it in this file. Then Control O, enter Control X. Now we need another file named requirements.txt. So here we say we need Firestore. Okay, now Control O, enter Control X. So now if I say ls, we have got two files. Now we'll come out of this cd dot dot. Okay, now we have come out of this cat logger function. Now we'll deploy our cloud function in the same region where we have created the Firestore database. So we'll use the command let me try writing it first. Okay, so it's Google G Cloud functions deploy. We are deploying. So the function that is there, which is the one we need this pops up to Firestore. This function, which is already mentioned in main.py, so pops up to pub sub underscore to underscore Firestore. Runtime is Python. (310). Trigger hyphen topic. What's the topic? Name, that's chat messages. Chat hyphen messages. Okay. Then entry hyphen point. It's the same function. So entry point is pops up underscore to underscore fire store. Now we need to write the region. Region is something US West East 4 US hyphen East 4. Okay, and source dot hash chat logger hyphen function. Okay, and then we can write memory 128 MB. And we can write timeout 60 seconds. Okay, here we are missing something. Entry. Here. So here we'll give no. Okay, invalid source does not exist. How come? Let me try this. US Firestore. No. Yes. Here. Yes. Finish successfully. So the preparing the function. Let's see. It works here. Cloud function. So the cloud function has got created. To see the logs, we'll come here and check the logs. Okay. So now we have enabled APIs. We have created the Firestore database. We have created the pub subtopic. We have also created the cloud function. Now let's publish a chat message and see if it works. So we'll use the gcloud pub sub topics, publish chat hyphen messages, message, chat underscore id, chat 123, text colon hello world user. Pub. We close and let's see if it works. Probably I'm doing a syntax error. Let's see. Yes, the message part published. Look, let's see in Firestore. We go to database. Chat. This chat 123. Okay. So we'll go to messages. This is the message ID and that's the message. Let's try pasting this one. Let's go back. So there's nothing out here. Let's check the cloud function. Observe logs. So an error. we need to check the log correctly to see why we can't see the messages here. This is for the first one. So we need to come here and debug here. So this is how it works. Now let's delete the PubSub to Firestore function passwords in US East 4. Yes. Now delete the PubSub topic. And to delete the Firestore database, we need to go to the GCP console and delete it from here, directly from console. Firestore. Delete. Delete. Okay, default. Okay, ID. I'm so sorry. We need to copy this. Delete. Okay. And the database was deleted. hope this project is useful. So through this project, we learned how to integrate PubSub, Cloud Function, and Firestore. So you can use the GitHub link for reference. I'll mention it in the description box. So thanks for watching.